सनी, ये जो फिल्में हैं इसमें इंटीमेट कोच, बेसिक आपके जो हाइजीन होते हैं, बिकॉज देर आर इंटीमेट सीन्स, लॉट्स ऑफ लिसनर्स वांट टू नो कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज द टू एंड फ्रो ऑफ अ सीन लाइक दैट. क्या इंटीमेट कोचेस थे इस सेट पे? अरे मैं
इंटीमेसी कोच
तापसी वाज अंडरपेड.
मैं बताता हूँ इंटीमेसी कोचिंग क्या हो रही है यहाँ पे. पकड़ना. अरे यार तू छोड़ना. देख, तू अगर तू यहाँ से आएगा ना, तू ऐसे आएगा, तब जाके उनको ना तेरी फेसिंग मिलेगी. मैं यहाँ पे आगे बोल रहा हूँ, आई एम शूटिंग ब्रिक्स के भाई, इसे कोई बुरा ना लग जाए, कुछ गलत, यू डोंट नो वेदर. तू पकड़, यहाँ पे पकड़, यहाँ पे. ये होती है, ये होते हैं रियल प्रोफेशनल्स. बट आई टेल यू व्हाट, दैट इज वेरी गुड फॉर गाइस.
राइट.
Because हम हमेशा whenever we have to perform an intimate scene, the same thing I experienced with Radhika also during Shiddat. There was a very passionate kissing scene in it, and she just came to me, and मैं वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ये हो रहा था कि यार, she just came to me, she's like, no, I'm good, don't worry. And that's enough sometimes, that that at the end of the day you respect each other, so you are not going to cross a line, and you have that respect. तो इन्होंने तो मेरा जो अगले सेकंड में वैसे हो गया, ओके लेट्स गो.
No, because actually I can't generalize, but mostly क्या होता है, एक सेट मेल हैवी सेट होता है जनरली. So you less in number, and so obviously the men on set want to be very careful of कि गलती से भी unintentionally कुछ ऐसा गलत ना हो जाए. मैं again I'm saying generalize नहीं कर रही, but at least in my experience it's been like that. मनमर्जिया में भी ऐसा ही था, इधर भी ऐसा ही था, हसीन रुतबा 1 में भी यही था. I remember how Vikrant used to keep checking. Okay ना, okay. I could see that he was very flustered and very stressed. तो मुझे पता है कि उस दौरान अगर मैं जाके I'll take the control of things and I'll make it easy. I'll tell them, okay, I'm fine, okay, now let's do this, then let's do that. If एक तो DOP male, director, then your co-actor, and then all the other people, reflector, ये वो वगैरह सब, जो light वाला भी कोई खड़ा होता है, all men. So in that, either I can be awkward, then there'll be 10 other people who will be awkward, and then the process of shooting that scene will become very slow. And हम वो retake ही करते रहेंगे because हमारी शक्ल पे दिखेगा, because camera is very close. So it's better to make everybody's life easy by knowing your job, and by that I think लड़कियों की थर्ड आंख या सिक्स सेंस बहुत सही होती है, पता चल जाता है अगर कहीं पे गलत इंटेंशन है किसी का. तो so once you know as a woman you are at ease, I think you can take charge of the situation, and I did that. So it was a pretty smoothly done sequence in spite of like there being only men. I remember Vishal sir coming to Vishal sir, हमारे जो DOP है. It was a very odd compliment, but it is still like a very nice compliment in a way, if you understand. Like वो हम बेड पे हम 3 लोग थे, DOP, ये और मैं. So like, this is the best threesome I've ever had, Taapsee. Thank you so much. So, I mean, he didn't mean it in. I mean, people who understand, who know that, it was easy for him. Being a man holding a camera, trying to shoot that sequence, it can also get a little awkward. So he wanted to thank me for making it easy. And I was like, I'm doing it because all you men have made me feel comfortable. If I was not comfortable, I wouldn't have been that confident about doing that situation. It's because all the guys there on the set made me feel very safe and comfortable.